Good evening, everyone. Namaste. I'm so happy to be here, Guruji. बहुत दिनों से मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं यहाँ आऊँ, गुरुजी से मिलूँ, और आज वो पूरी हुई है. तो I'm really happy this evening. और इस वक्त मैं यहाँ बैठ के पहली दफ़ा आया हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. तो I'm just absorbing. I'm just absorbing everything. So it's so lovely to see so many smiling faces. सबके चेहरे पे इतनी मुस्कुराहट है, इतनी खुशी है, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. You know, Guruji, my wife Kiran and me, we work in rural Maharashtra with water. So in the months of April and May, we travel across from village to village, working with the villagers in watershed management, teaching them and working with them. So it's a very wonderful experience for us when we work with people across Maharashtra who are so spirited and who have such hope in their hearts and such strength. You know, I want to ask you about love. What does love mean to you?
Love is not just an emotion. Love is your very existence. The essence of your existence is love. All the cells in your body are glued together because of love. You are breathing because the air loves you. And so the earth loves you, that's why you are alive. So love is the very essence of existence. Emotion is just one small, tiny part of it.
What about romantic love? I want to know about that also.
I think you are an expert in that.
No, I'm a student of that, not expert. That's why I want to know.
Well, romance in the sense, something is so charming. And as a child, you look with all your eyes something, because it's charming to you. To me, romance does not begin in your teenage. It begins when you are born on this planet. You look into the eyes of any child, you can't take your eyes off because they look at you straight and with all their heart. Of course, teenage is a very different flavor to it, but love remains in you, and and when you are in romance with the spirit deep within you, you are in romance with the whole world.
That's right. That's right.
It may sound little up there, but I tell you it is true. Because you find even trees and animals, everything is in love with you. And when your heart is pure. Simple thing, clarity in mind, purity in heart, sincerity in action.
Thank you for having me, Guruji. Thank you for having me. Yeah, thank you.
You're part of us all.
Thank you.